poem. This poem's for Kara Parker, in memory of Kara Parker, Kara Christine Parker. It's called Elegy in October. It was in a gray October of one long gone year. We both fell in love, way back when we were both so young. Back when I was sunburned and she was the sun, and she was the love of my life. She was an angel from above, she was to be my wife, and with a little bit of luck, we would make sweet love, love, love run amok. We supped wine from a loving cup, like two licorice libertines, love struck when something was up, and she was my first and I was hers, back in that gray October I spoke of, back when her autumn arrhythmias would cause me to erupt, when she was my marigold, she was my macrame angel, softest skin I've ever known, will ever know. So her skin was a field of snow, and her emerald eyes were a million stories left untold. Her saffron curls of golden swirls, the ozone. When I was with her, I was home, and I loved this babe to the bone, but now she's gone. And she left this world and all she'd ever known. Just like that old Hank Williams song, she's long gone, and I am so alone. Thank you.